Daily AI Digest, July 9, 2026. Frontier models push toward longer reasoning. AI coding agents move deeper into workflows. Open-weight models keep closing the gap. Infrastructure and safety stay in focus. Frontier models push toward longer reasoning. Leading labs continue releasing models that spend more compute on step-by-step reasoning before answering. Extended context windows now let assistants process entire codebases and long documents in a single pass. Vendors are competing on price per token, driving inference costs down for developers. AI coding agents move deeper into workflows. Autonomous coding agents can now plan, edit across many files, and run tests without constant human prompting. Teams increasingly pair agents with human review to catch subtle logic and security issues. Integrated terminal and IDE tooling lets agents execute commands and verify their own changes. Open-weight models keep closing the gap. Community and enterprise open-weight models are approaching closed models on many benchmarks. Smaller distilled models run locally on laptops and phones, improving privacy and offline use. Fine-tuning and adapters make it cheaper to specialize a base model for narrow tasks. Infrastructure and safety stay in focus. Demand for GPUs and specialized accelerators continues to shape data center build-outs. Retrieval augmented generation remains a common pattern for grounding answers in trusted data. Organizations are adding evaluation, guardrails, and logging to catch hallucinations before release. Subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily updates and tips. This video was generated automatically by AI.